to see Portugal tonight. Red and green are shining bright. America can hear our sound. Mexico will watch us now. Canada lights up through the night. The World Cup has finally arrived. Millions of hearts beat as one. Portugal keeps moving on. Step by step we fight. Dreams are getting close tonight. We will never fall till we reach the top of all. In America we sing aloud. In Mexico we stand so proud. In Canada we dream tonight. Raise the trophy to the sky. The whole world is watching now. Legends still are standing proud. Cristiano Ronaldo runs for the nation that he loves. Maybe this will be the last on the biggest stage at last. But his spirit lives forever inside all of us together. Portugal, starting at Portugal, 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 Portugal. Diogo Costa in the goal tonight. Juan Cancelo on the right side. Ruben Diaz standing strong. Gonzalo Inacio all eye long. Nuno Mendes